calcium and water produce the calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Here that calcium and water is less violent, the heat evolved is not sufficient for the hydrogen to catch fire. Calcium starts floating because the bubbles of hydrogen gas formed stick to the surface of the metal. Already we discussed about the activity. In that activity, we are taken in the beaker water. When calcium calcium sample we have taken, that time what will happen? That calcium metal will be floating on water. Why? Because calcium starts floating because the bubbles of hydrogen gas formed stick to the surface of the metal. Already we are discussed here hydrogen gas is forming. That hydrogen bubbles will be formed stick to the surface of the metal. That's why that calcium starts floating on the water. Calcium starts floating because the bubbles of hydrogen gas formed stick to the metal surface, of the metal. Here which metal? Calcium. So that bubbles of hydrogen gas formed stick to the surface of the metal. That's why calcium starts floating on the water. And next, magnesium does not react with cold water. Here sodium potassium react with cold water. Here magnesium does not react with cold water. It reacts with hot water to form magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. It also starts floating due to the bubbles of hydrogen gas sticking to the metal surface. Calcium and magnesium also same. Why? Because calcium and magnesium starts floating due to the bubbles of hydrogen gas sticking to the metal surface. That's why calcium and magnesium are floating on the water. Here magnesium does not react with cold water. But it reacts with hot water to form magnesium hydroxide. And hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is common all cases, and H2. And it also starts floating due to the bubbles of hydrogen gas sticking to the surface. Okay. Here once you observe, some of the metals react with cold water, some of the metals react with hot water. Which metal react with hot water? Magnesium react with hot water. It does not react with cold water and produce the magnesium hydroxide. And hydrogen gas is common. Here magnesium also floats on due to the hydrogen gas sticking into the bubbles of hydrogen gas sticking into the metal surface. And next, can you write the reaction between the magnesium and hot water to produce magnesium hydroxide? Okay, you have to write the reaction between the magnesium. In the same way, here also calcium and water to produce calcium hydroxide. In the same way, you have to write the magnesium react with water to produce magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. This is you have to write, and everyone should send to me reaction between the magnesium and water produce the magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Okay. After the class, everyone should send to me. And next one is some of the metals like aluminium, iron, zinc do not react with either with cold water or hot water, but they react with steam to form the metal oxide and hydrogen. Here some of the metals are reacted with cold water, some of the metals will react with hot water, some of the metals react with steam. Now some of the metals, which metals? Metals like aluminium, iron, zinc do not react with either with cold or hot water, but they react with steam to form. Once you observe here, they will form the metal oxide, not metal hydroxide. They form metal oxide, and hydrogen gas is common in all cases, and hydrogen. Okay, so by the equation we have to check. Aluminium is reacted with steam. This is a steam, means it is a gas. Before that liquid, water is a liquid, here gas. This is a solid, gives rise to aluminum oxide, Al2O3 plus hydrogen. This is a gas, this is a solid. And in the same way, iron also, 3 moles of iron is reacted with 4 moles of steam. This is a gas, water has a steam, to form metal oxide. Which metal oxide? Here we are taking the iron oxide will be formed, Fe3O4 plus hydrogen gas will be produced. Okay, this is about the steam. Metals react with steam to produce metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Before that, metal hydroxide will be produced. And some of the metals, this is very very important, that metals is lead, copper, silver, iron. Pb means lead. Lead, copper, silver, iron do not react with water at all. Do not react with water at all. These metals do not react with water. Okay, which metals do not react with water? Lead, copper, silver, iron do not react with water. But with steam, which metals are reacting? Aluminium, iron, zinc. Here aluminium, iron, zinc, these are reacted with steam. They don't react with hot water and cold water. And magnesium react with only hot water. Sodium and potassium react with cold water. Magnesium react with hot water. Aluminium, iron, zinc react with steam. Okay, this is about the chemical reactivity of metals with water. What happens when metal react with water? Okay, thank you.